Established in 2004, Weifang Heng Lida Steel Structure Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of prefabricated building in China, engaged in the research, development, production, sale, service and installation of labor camp, prefabricated house, LGS villa, steel structure warehouse, workshop, and container house. We have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and CE approval. Our daily capacity can reach 5,000 square meters. We have over 291 employees, among which we have 50 engineers and 100 workers in charge of supervising and assembling overseas projects. We have 26,000 square meters of factory space. There are 3 production lines for our prefabricated house, 3 production lines for our container house, 2 production lines for our steel structure warehouse, workshop series, 1 production line for our light steel villa. We have overseas branch offices in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Malaysia, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Kuwait, Italy and Angola. We established a new factory in Zambia. Our products have been exported to more than 142 countries until 2018. We sincerely hope we will be your best partner and friend in the near future.